Hey guys, I'm Shashidhar from Elbatec here, and today we are gonna talk about the Android N. So stay tuned. Many of us didn't get the marshmallow itself, but in advance, Google has launched the new version of the Android, that is the Android N preview version, and they may also soon release the final release of the Android N.
The developer preview version of the Android N had been released by Google a week ago, and it looks pretty good and great. The quick appearance of Android N looks moreover like Android Marshmallow. It may even soon change in the final release of the Android N. Obvious, the preview version has so many bugs and Google have to rectify everything before the final release. It is also expected that the final release of the Android N may come in the month of October or November for Android One devices and Nexus devices. For now, the developer preview had been released for Nexus devices and for virtual devices for app developers. You guys can even download the preview version of Android from the description below, or you can join the Android beta program to get the direct OTA update of Android N preview version for your Nexus devices.
So let's take a quick look of the Android N.
Android N is booted up, and at the first impression, it looks more similar to the earlier versions of the Android, that is Android Lollipop and Marshmallow. First, let's move on to the settings and see the version of the Android it is running. As you can see, it is running on the Android N. On the game of the Android N, it is not changed. It is the same game as in the Marshmallow. But in the final release of the Android N, they may change the game. It is the same Flappy Bird game. So let's move back and see some more features of the settings. I noticed 3 new features in the settings. The first thing I noticed is the shortcut menu for the settings. First, let's go to the data usage, and if you want to go to the other option in the settings, you can just drag the shortcut menu from the left of the settings and you can just move on to the another option. Let's say display. You can just click on the display and that's you can switch to the display option without coming back from the current screen of the settings. And the next thing I noticed in the settings is the suggestions. As you can see, it is giving you suggestions at the top of the settings options. And the another thing is the annotations it is giving in the each option of the settings. It is giving you the detailed explanation of the each option of the settings as an annotation, as you can see here. Okay, now let's move on to the more features of the Android N. The first thing I noticed in this is the notification bar. The tiles of the notification bar has been resized too small so that you can get quick access to the tools and settings, or else you can even drag down the notification bar to make it bigger, and you can even customize the tiles as per your need. The next thing I noticed is the app tray. It looks as Marshmallow's app tray and there is no difference actually. And there are even some rumors also, as Android is going to remove the app tray in the final release of the Android N. But we can't say anything as for now. The very interesting thing in this Android N is the task manager. It has been changed a lot and they have included a feature known as the split screen mode. Using this, you can handle 2 apps at a time. You can open the 2 windows at the top and the bottom in the screen, and you can access both of the apps at a time. And I like this very much, and I hope that they may add more features to the task manager. So let's hope for more features in the final release of the Android N, and stay tuned for more updates of the new version of the Android.
I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any issues with my video, feel free to give suggestions in the comment section below. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel below. And once again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video soon. Until then, bye bye.